As soon as you realise a casualty is unresponsive, call the emergency services and ask for an ambulance with your phone on speakerphone. If there is someone with you, ask them to call if possible. While they make the call, you begin CPR. Rescuers need to get help as quickly as possible when someone collapses or appears unconscious. The EMS dispatcher can assess the call and determine what help is required faster than if the rescuer waits to make the decision. The quicker help is on its way, the greater chance of survival. If you've not called for help, delivering CPR without EMS on the way will not help them. For every minute the AED takes to arrive, the person's chance of survival drops by 10%. Ensuring the EMS are on the way and effective CPR will increase the patient's chance of survival. When more than one rescuer is available, one rescuer should start CPR while the other one goes for assistance and tries to find an AED. If alone, don't go looking for an AED. The EMS will bring one. As you've been delivering CPR, the patient's chance of the AED restarting the heart will be increased. To minimise interruptions during CPR, you may be able to carry an infant or a small child with you while summoning help. If you're on your own, do not leave the casualty, start CPR. It's essential to keep blood circulating, and by leaving them to find an AED, their chance of survival is reduced. You can get additional help on CPR by speaking to the dispatcher when you call the EMS. By having your phone on speakerphone, they can guide you through the CPR process, whether it's full CPR or chest compressions only.